So how different would be the game without Sue on the floor and in the locker room? And what would you like to carry from your team up with her?
I mean, to not have Sue on the court or in the locker room, things like that, it would be completely different. She has an impact, and her fingerprints are all over every single player on this roster, every single person in this franchise, and her ability to just continue to bring people confidence, to make sure that we come together, we gel together. Her IQ, the fact that Jewel was talking about, just her ability to be herself gave us the ability to be ourselves. And yeah, I mean, we owe a lot to Sue, and just really appreciate her for everything that she's done.